Hello everybody, welcome to Eat Prime this evening. I am Daedrian. Carnival Jamaica saw a strong showing on Sunday. Thousands of revelers across bands, Bacchanal, Exodus, Yardmass and Gen XS marched the roads of the creative city. Eat Prime was on the road and caught up with the Minister of Tourism, Ed Martlett, who spoke to the impact of Carnival on Kingston's tourism industry.
This really has indicated that the recovery is here. Feeling the emotions and the crowd, you know, the whole participation of almost every element of the community represented here, enjoying themselves, having a wonderful time in a peaceful and happy environment. That's telling us that, you know, the country is back on track. $4.6 billion of, dollars moving into the economy of Kingston. All the hotels full, Airbnb bursting. This is what we're talking about.
Now, one of the main highlights was the lockdown of Knutsford Boulevard by Campari. Eat Prime brings you sights and sounds from Carnival Jamaica 2023, which includes a special performance from Idonia.
Carnival, it's a huge moment, but we want to normalize the excellence of the Caribbean so that the world sees and let a brand like Ebony bridge us in the U.S. here in the Caribbean. We're all one and we can be one through Ebony.
This is my first Jamaica Carnival. I just wanted to have fun. I had to tell them, listen, this is where I'm from. I'm not coming here as a celebrity. I'm coming here as this is my home and I want to have fun. I want to live my life, dance with everybody, have a good time, take picture, all that.
I'm so excited. I'm having a wonderful time, elated to be back on the streets after a pandemic that kept us apart, and it's just so nice to have everybody together, literally embodying our motto, out of many, one people.
It's a vibe. The people been away from this from maybe 2019, 2020 when the place locked down. So it's a vibe. Them there for enjoy themselves, high energy, just whole heap of fun. And it's a vibe for there. I love it.
Carnival Jamaica made a full return this year, coming out of COVID-19. Good times. I'm Daedrian with Eat Prime this evening. Thank you for watching.